Hello my friends, welcome to Into the Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha. Sorry for the big delay. So it was a personal, like a little vacation I took, let's say it, vacation. So in this video I also want to thank you guys for staying with me all this time, watching my content, for supporting my channel. Big thank you, and we can do so much more. Well, and for now, let's continue. So this is a box I got from eBay, and obviously this is, judging by the title of this video, Minidisc related goodies. Let's see what we got inside. Okay, it is well packaged box. Let's just try to open just like this. Alright, looks like it's a repurposed Amazon container, which is good. I do this all the time. It is well packaged. And what do we have? Let me just pull everything out. A lot of... Okay, that's good. A lot of stuff. So, first of all, we have two in great condition Minidiscs. Those are actually pretty decent, premium. Well, they look like golden, but they are not. Like the disc is, I think it's just white. Let me show you. There's nothing. Where is it? Yeah, you see, it's just silver. So this is just optical, not because the plastic is like golden, make it golden, looking golden, but like the disc itself is not. But we have two of these. Obviously we have here 6 volt a power supply, which is freaking awesome, chewed by a dog. I hope it's working. We have extension, Sony branded, cool extension cable. So this is just to extend your headphones. And the most interesting, oh yeah, and we have battery compartment here, which is again pretty cool. Not sure. Oh wow, that's interesting. It actually contains 2 AA's. Neat. And the most interesting part is this. Oh man, this is freaking awesome. Oh, this is another one I never seen before. Nice. Okay. Oh, we have another one. We have 2 of these carries. This is actually quite precious. And here we have like a Minidisc remote, which is again very important. And here the most interesting thing. Oh, I see. Now I understand why this is here. We have a Sony stereo microphone. This is ECM DS70P electric condenser microphone. I think this is pretty decent microphone. I have another Sony microphone which I'm using right now, but I'm gonna try to use this one because this one looks like more schmick microphone. Let me actually just power the, no, I'm not gonna do any experiments at the moment. I don't wanna mess up the video. We have optical cable. And the most interesting thing what we have, oh, another Minidisc, 3 Minidisc, and the most interesting thing we have is actually in really good shape. Really good shape, Sony MZ-R50. Right, Minidisc recorder. Very nice condition, I must say. Obviously battery is probably Gonski by now. Okay, okay, let's try to open this thing. I need some lubrication here, maybe. Wow, so we have on off mechanical switch actually, which is cool. We have here microphone in, line out, digital mega bus. It's like a switch. We have remote, we have open button, we have rack button, we have search, mark, erase, have hold. Then on this side we have a connector to connect this. Well, I'm gonna make it like pretty huge actually. Better get this lithium battery restored. And we have DC in 6 volt. Amazing! This is amazing. Oh, I like it. The condition is like immaculate. Wow! Okay, well, next step is to... I don't have double A's handy at the moment, I think. I need like, I have only a bunch of triple A's laying around. Let's just use this power brick and see what's gonna happen when we power this guy up. I don't remember, I bought it some time ago, and then remember, no disc. Well, I mean, it just goes. So it actually powers up. Maybe it doesn't read the disc, let's see. Oh, it's charging the battery, okay. I'm gonna leave it charging the bullets. So I'm gonna use this pre-recorded disc or factory disc and see if this is gonna pick it up. Okay, why it doesn't stay? It does. It does work. I don't know what's the issue. Okay, I need to go back to my listing because so far so good. Let me see if I hear anything. Well, it clearly plays. It clearly plays, right, guys? I mean, that's it. There is not not much we can do here. There is no repair, no nothing. This thing works. Wow. Okay, gonna stop it. Has... Oh, it's synchro recording. It's not on off. Yeah, my apologies. I think to get it off, you just need to hit the button again. How the heck I turn it off? Because another player's trick was actually to press stop button for a while. This is gonna shut it down, but looks like not in this case. Unless I have to kind of yank the power. Oh wow, it's even... Yeah, well, battery probably not gonna charge. Keep the charge for long. Okay, dying like in front of me. Yeah, the battery is probably gone. Okay, shut it down. Wow, it works. Let's see what else. Okay, this needs to be fixed. Do we have any recordings in here? This has to latch. This is wrong, but we can fix it, I guess. Low battery. Okay, let's fix this. Not that one. Where is that? Yeah, there's something here. What do we have? I don't hear anything, so... Oh, of course I don't hear anything because... Some kind of hip-hop. Yeah, there's some music here as well. Wow, that's pretty cool. Let's do stop. So, I mean, the only thing what I have to do is to check remote. Remote gonna be checked like that. Just put it in. It does work. Where's the... Okay, go here. Okay, where's the... Go play. Yeah, it does play. Next. Yeah, it does play. This works. And the microphone. So in order to test microphone, I have to connect it instead of my microphones that I'm talking with you right now. Let me do it. I'm gonna pause the video, obviously. Alrighty, we have connected the fancy microphone, and sorry for knocking noises, but clearly it is operational and I like it. So I'll show you what I have. Where is the other microphone? Here we are. So this is the Sony microphone that I'm using. It's actually pretty decent as well. It's like a smaller version of that one, I guess. It's the ECMS3. Very nice microphone, tiny and inexpensive, bought it on Amazon like ages ago. But this one is even better, I think, I hope. Yeah, very good. And another thing, it can be connected straight. Well, I might not need this. It may be connected straight to the camera because it has this connector. So the microphone was connected straight to the camera, just in the microphone slot, and it seems to be working perfectly. So now gonna be way less wires, which I hate, and yeah, this microphone can be used somewhere else. Ooh, this is awesome. So I'm super happy. So we have 2 more discs, and it looks like almost brand new or brand new. A really good condition. We have 3 in total. Okay, but I'm gonna leave this guy to charge and see if battery in what condition. I'm pretty sure these things there is no point to test because they are operational, plus we have 2 of them. And I think I bought this for something like 60 Canadian dollars, which is, I think it's a pretty good deal for me, having the fully operational player, these caddies, microphone, discs, remote and power supply. Whoa, that's a good deal. The main thing is this operational, and I would say even more important, this thing is really good condition. No scratches, no bangs, no dings. And what's cool about this guy, I think it's fully metal. That does look like it. I'm gonna double check, but this totally looks like it full metal casing, and it looks schmick, and it's not light. It's fairly chunky, but yeah, it looks pretty good. Next step would be to figure out what to do about this lithium battery. If it's completely dead, we cannot do something about it. Maybe come up with some kind of adapter idea, but it's gonna be tough because the way they mounted those contacts for the battery. But we'll figure out. Maybe there is some kind of already some people come up with some design solutions. Right, I think that's gonna be it. I'm super happy about it, and obviously my collection of Minidisc has grown substantially since last time, and maybe I will do video when I show all my operational players and also all my for parts players, and we're gonna chat about it. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me for all these years, and thank you for 6,000 subscribers. See ya next time. Please stay tuned, like, subscribe. Happy to hear from you. Stay safe, and ciao.